This is a game changer. So I think people put too much onus on the end users to update records, and they make it hard. So data entry is not easy. No one likes to do it, and we're not prone to doing it correctly. We miss records, we forget records, and if you make it hard to do, it's not like they're just going to do it later. They just won't do it. So it's all about making it easy and getting consistency with your data quality. So if I told you right now, here's an opportunity, update your next steps. Go ahead, I'll wait. Update your next steps. Which fields do you update? What does that even mean to update my next steps? Or you could have an action called update next steps. And then when you click it, only the fields you care about show up. Okay, so you can create actions, and you can even default the values for those actions. So for example, you go to an opportunity, you go to the actions section, you can create a new one. And let's say in this case, I'm going to create an update action that's going to update the opportunity. And you can put the fields you care about exactly on there. So when I say update next steps, you're going to see the close date, the sales stage, the dollar amount, and the next step field. That's what I mean when you should do it. And then you put that on the page, and that's it. They work on mobile, it saves people time, you get better data quality, and these actions can be used with macros, so you can team them together and create powerful automations. Or I can go to a list view and perform an action on all of these things at once. I'll show you an example. So I can go to a list of leads and let's say put them all into a campaign or change the status of all of them because I have an action to do that. And this gets really powerful when you power it, when you team it up with automation rules. So here I've got an action that logs a voicemail. You just click the VM action and it knows it was today. It knows who it's on. It knows that the task is completed and it knows that it's a voicemail. So all those fields are defaulted for your reps. They don't have to type anything in. They just hit save and then an automation rule fires and creates a follow-up task for them. Why are you making someone log it, type in everything, pick everything, and then create the manual follow-up? Just do this. You do it once and everyone benefits. They'll go to the left of voicemail action, they click save, and that action's logged and a follow-up task has taken effect. So I'll show you real quickly. If I go to a lead record, here's my lead, and there's my text from before. Now notice I can just say left a voicemail, and I click save. That's it. It knows that I left a voicemail today. It knows, yeah, there it is. I left a voicemail today. It knows that it's completed. It knows that I did it, and it scheduled the voicemail follow-up automatically for 2 days out from today. And I can go to a list view, for example, of all my leads, and I can say, you know, I called all these people, and I left them a voicemail too. And now I've left 8 voicemail records and get 8 follow-up task records, and I didn't have to click into all these. And there's Tyler with today's voicemail and the follow-up. This just applies to so many use cases. You need to feel more comfortable with actions and automation rules, but this is something that is point and click and incredibly time-saving for your reps.